What's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. My friends, just watch this video. My friends, just look at what's going on in this time in the Polygon Matic. This video is special for all holders of Matic. Keep watch, and remember, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, like this video. My friends, at this time the price of Polygon Matic in the market is 1.64 USD dollar is the current price of the Polygon Matic. On the other side, if you look at the BTC Bitcoin price of the Polygon Matic, so 0.0004110 BTC price of the Polygon Matic coin, my friends. And if you want more about Polygon Matic, so the market cap, the 24 hours trading volume of the Polygon Matic, available supply, total supply, every update on the front of your eyes, my friends. And you can see here, my friends, if you look at the current condition of Polygon Matic, so my friends, just watch this. You can see here negative 1.15% price falls down in the last 60 minutes, in the last 1 hour. So now the falling time of the Polygon Matic start now. My friends, that's not mean that if the price falls down, so you disappointed by the Polygon Matic and you understand that there is no pump occurs in the future of Polygon Matic. No, my friends, no, that's not mean. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time, but you have to hold for long time, my friends. You have to hold. Every cryptocurrency falls down. There is no one cryptocurrency that they only start moving upward. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for some time, my friends. So my friends, my personal prediction about Polygon Matic is that that is the temporary fast, and after some passage of time the price will again positive, my friends, and you will get profit. My friends, I believe that they will give us profit in the last of this month. So you have to hold, only you have to hold to the last of this month, my friends. You can see from the price that it's clear that Polygon Matic start pumping, my friends. So anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.